Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on anti-theft protection on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. From here, just tap on device unlock, then tap on theft protection. And from here, you can enable the theft protection features on your smartphone. For an example, you can enable remote lock. And by enabling remote lock, you can lock your smartphone remotely even if your smartphone is lost or stolen. And also you can enable find and erase your device. And by enabling this feature, you will be able to locate your device if it is lost or stolen. After that, you will find the option of theft detection lock. And after enabling this feature, your smartphone will be able to lock itself if it detects that it has been stolen. Also, you have the option of offline device lock, and by enabling this feature, your smartphone will automatically lock itself shortly after it becomes offline. Finally, you have the option of SIM lock, and to enable this feature, you will have to add your fingerprint first. For that, just tap on Set Now. Now just enter your screen lock. Now just move your finger around the fingerprint sensor which is located on your power button. Once you add your fingerprint, then tap on Done. And after enabling this feature, your smartphone will be automatically locked if the linked SIM card is removed. And this is how you can turn on anti-theft protection on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.